an honoring tradition and inspiring innovation, this is a special webinar for celebrating the Gawad sa Manilikanang Bayan Awardees, or Gamaba Awardees. This is your host, Neil Alriche Palares.
And I'm Yusharate P. Ruman. The Gamaba Award recognizes Filipino traditional artists whose exceptional skills have preserved and promoted our rich cultural heritage to demonstrate to host true living master and honor the legacy of another true national treasure.
Please join me in welcoming our distinguished guests from San Quintin Abra, the master craftsman of Tabugnauha, Apo Choplero Garcia, and from Apalit, Pampanga, celebrated for his intricate metalwork, Pinukpuk, silver plating, Tatang Eddie, or known as Eduardo Moto. We also pay tribute to the late Haja Amina Api, the master mat weaver from Tandubas, Tawi-Tawi, whose vibrant tempo mats are testament to Sama artistry. Welcome po!
Apple Jaffel. Your Tabuao hats are truly unique, crafted from boards. It's craft you learned from your grandfather. Could you tell our audience what the most challenging part of turning simple board into weather-resistant masterpiece is, and how you ensure the unique traditional it passed down?
Good afternoon. The most challenging part of the preparation, I plant the boards in myself. In the process of cleaning the inside is tedious. I even let Aunt's help clean the wall. To pass it on, I teach my children and grandchildren the exact tradition process, because the Tabungao is a symbol of art and unity.
Thank you, Apo Choplero Garcia. Now, Tatang Eddie, your from grand altar pieces to intricate mirrors is spectacular, and it uses demanding pinukpuk or metal embossing technique. Can you tell me the core principle of using this pinukpuk and why this traditional method is superior than any handmade replications?
Pinukpuk is about carefully pounding the sheets of metal over a hard-bodied mold to bring out that design. And it requires great precision. Handmade pieces are more valuable because of the fine detail and delicacy you cannot get from the machine, especially the faces on the cherubim. Only a human hand can give them soul and life. It is important to respect your tools and your craft.
Truly inspiring.
Yes, it is. And let's take a moment to honor Haja Amina Api. She was also recognized in 2004 for her masterful mat weaving.
Her mats, called tipo, are distinguished by their present geometric patterns and her talent for mixing her own dyes to create striking, colorful design. The Sama weaving traditional is exclusively passed down among women, and her legacy is secure as her daughter and granddaughters continue to weave, keeping her very young.
And now, we will be having a rapid fire Q&A. There will be 5 questions coming from our 5 participants. Participant 1, your question please.
Apo Teofilo, aside from boards, what other local materials did you use to make the Tabungao?
For the inner lining to make it comfortable. Insert time into our bamboo to decorate the outer edge.
Just a few words of religion. Do you find a particular connection to a Pinukpuk craft?
Yes, absolutely. Making the altar pieces into statues is a way to serve God in a community. It requires devotion and focus, much like prayer.
Can you name one specific artwork of Haja Amina Api that truly captures her mastery?
It is very similar to Tapoma. Her works are often incredible with the use of color. These Tapomas are more likely similarly the same as the rainbow, showing its perfect harmony and the use of color.
Afatifu, what is your advice to the people who find traditional craft is slow or tedious for the modern world?
Do not rush. Every step must be perfect. If you want to make art that lasts, you need to be patient and respect for the process. True art is not fast.
Tatang Eddie, what is the best way for us to support and help preserve traditional crafts like Pinompo?
Learn about them, but buy authentic, handmade pieces and encourage your schools and communities to include them in the curriculum. You must value the artist, not just the artwork.
A big thank you once again to Tatang Eduardo Moto and to Apo Chupelo Garcia for this insightful session, and to the eternal life and memory of artwork of Haja Amina Api. Your dedication to your artwork means everything to the Filipino nation.
Thank you to all participants. Your excellent question. We hope you leave here inspired to champion the national living treasure.
Again, this is your host, Neil Alviche Paredes.
And I'm Sherry P. Roman.
Signing off.